Life's tight. Eat right. Start simple with MyPlate. Make half your grains whole grains for healthy benefits. Whole grains are sources of important nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, B vitamins, and fiber. These important nutrients may reduce the risk of many diseases and help you maintain a healthy weight. Start your day the whole grain way. Consuming whole grains that contain fiber as part of an overall healthy diet can support a healthy digestive tract. It's always important to check the ingredient list of your grain products to ensure you're eating a true whole grain and not just a product disguised as one. A true whole grain will have the word whole listed in the first ingredient. Some breads can be brown because of added ingredients like molasses. There are a variety of whole grains out there to enjoy and can be found in more than just breads. Make half your grains whole grains. Visit snapedny.org for more information, tips, and recipes. Save time, save money, eat healthy.